Hey everyone. Okay, this screencast is going to be about creating formulas within your cells. One of the big things about spreadsheets is that you can put a lot of numbers in it and you can add them up, you can divide them, you can find the average, the min, the max, all that kind of stuff. The percentage. So basically, this again is the template that was given to you. These cells were already made for you with the sum. What I'm going to do is I deleted these two down here and I'm going to recreate them for you. So basically in a spreadsheet, basically every column up here has a letter and every row down here has a number. And what you can do is you can add up a bunch of cells to find the sum. You can multiply a bunch of cells together to find the product. You can find the difference between two different cells. So difference only works with two cells. Same thing with division. So division only works with two cells as well. So for this cell right here, V, as you can see up here in the formula box, because you don't see it in here because it's actually it added stuff together. So what it is anytime you write the equals sign in here in Sheets or in an Excel spreadsheet, the program knows that you're trying to make a formula. So this one is equals and then sum, and then in parentheses they put the actual specific cells where it starts and where it ends to add up. So that's the sum. As you can see, when I clicked in there, it highlights how it adds up to where it ends, and then it lives in there. This one basically did V6, which is the sum, divided by V5, which is the total points. So that one you didn't even need to write product or difference or division. You just could literally write equals, the two, and then hit the cells that you need. So sometimes you might want to write what you're doing, what formula you're doing, and other times you can just divide or subtract them. So I'm going to recreate them down here. So basically what I want to do is I want to make this cell like this one. So I can hit in here, I can hit equals, which it now understands what I'm doing. I can type sum in big letters right here. And then I can click on my cell that I want and start dragging to my other ones. Now with addition, what's nice is it doesn't matter where you start and where you end. As you can see, it actually generated the first one to the last one, even though I highlighted the first one and dragged it the opposite way. So then I can finish it with the ending parentheses, hit enter, and I go back here, and there's my formula. It's at 0 because I don't have any numbers in here, but as you can see, if I start adding up what points the student got, that will change. Okay, so I just added up the points that the student might have gotten, and here he is. He or she, Jane, got 11 points out of 15. So I have my total, and what's nice about this sum is if this changes, it changes automatically for you. So you don't have to go back and change it. So if you were to go, oh, you know what, they did get that point, it will change it. Or if you messed up and they didn't get that point, you can always take it away. And it will automatically fix right here because it's the sum of all of those. So in this box, to recreate the percentage, what I'm going to do is click in here, type equals. So then the Sheets knows that I'm trying to make a formula. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this box and I'm going to hit divided by this box. And I can hit enter. And here it makes it a nice percentage for me, which is nice. If it was not a percentage, I can go over here and click this box and it will become percentage. So over here, let me try this one and I'll show you. I'm here and I want to do equals this box divided by this box. Oops, sorry. Oh man, I wanted it not to be a percentage. It was working. There's 1, so it's 0 because there's nothing in there. If I want it to become a percentage, I can just click on the percentage box. There we go. I will delete these for right now. Okay, so the next thing I'll show you is once you do a sum for at least one cell, you can copy and paste it for all of the cells. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete these here to show you how you can recreate it. You don't have to do the sum for each thing. So if I know that this cell is correct and that cell is correct, I know that it's doing the right thing. Same thing with these two. I can copy this cell and drag all the cells below that I want and Control V and paste it. Because basically each cell is a formula. It just is using different letters and numbers, basically. The letters are staying the same. It's G through U, and the numbers are changing. I can do the same thing here. So when you create at least one correct formula, you can copy it and highlight the cells below to paste it where you want it. Control V. When that happens, it's a function parameter. So maybe I can't do it with the percentages. Should be able to. I will look into that, but just be aware that you can. Yeah, you can paste. You should be able to, once you do the formula correctly in one cell, paste in the next cell. I'll look into the percentages. There might be something wrong with that. But for right now, that's what I have. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. Anytime you do see something like this, it means that something's wrong. So there's a function error with dividing. I guess it shouldn't be 0 because that's what it should be. Oh, I see what it's saying. It's saying V11 divided by V9, which isn't correct. It should be equals V10 divided by V5. So that should always be V5. So let's see if I copy. Let's see if I can just paste into a couple. It worked with 1, so it might be a copy and paste for 1. So copy, paste. Yeah, it's giving me a hard time here. So it should be V5 because that's your total points. So for a percentage, you might have to do each individual one. It shouldn't be like that though. So I will look into it and see what's going on. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Thanks, bye.